presentation. We are from Group 21. We would like to explain about how IoT works in automated plant watering. Okay, before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Deva Diputranto, and I will be the moderator for this presentation. And also, let me introduce my team members. There is Hafid Mutarom, Rehan Rosmansyah, Mahendra Putra Irfansyah, and Erwin Eka Saputra. Okay, let's get started. In this presentation, we will explain the background of the problem, the IoT components, how the system works, and it is disadvantage or disadvantage. Okay, now I will explain the background of this project. In a daily in daily plant care, watering is usually done manually. This method is time consuming and often inefficient. Sometimes plants receive too much water, while the other plants do not receive enough water. This condition can affect plant growth and waste the water. Therefore, an automated solution is needed. This system is called automated plant watering system based on IoT. And this is the flow, how system is works. The first component, it is a moist soil moisture sensor. And then the second one is not MCU. And then the next part is relay. And then the last component is water pump and ultrasonic sensor. Okay, we move on to the first component. It is soil moisture sensor that will be explained by Erwin Eka Saputra. Erwin, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Okay, in this part of the presentation, I'd like to explain how the soil moisture sensor works in our automated plant watering system. The soil moisture sensor is placed directly in the soil near the plant roots to measure how wet or dry the soil is. It works by detecting electrical resistance in the soil. When the soil is wet, the resistance is low, and when the soil is dry, the resistance is higher. Okay. The sensor sends this data to Node MCU ESP 8266 and as an analog value. The Node MCU then compresses this value with a predefinite threshold. If the soil is dry, the system activating watering. If the soil is still wet, the system does not water the plant. In short, the soil measure sensor helps the system decide when to start and stop watering, preventing overwatering and saving water. Okay, thank you. I'll return the presentation to you, moderator.
Okay, thank you, Erwin, for the explanation about soil moisture sensor. And then we move on into the next part. The next component is not MCU, and then this component is the main component of the system, and will be explained by Hafid Muhtaram. Hafid, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, Shiva. So the Node MCU ESP 8266 is the main controller. Like the brain in the human body, it is responsible for managing the operation all of system components, such as the soil moisture sensor, relay, and mini water pump, and the ultrasonic sensor. Simply, the Node MCU work by processes data with the code program and then make a decision. The example It processes data received from the soil moisture sensor with programmed code to determine if the plant needs water or not. If the answer is yes, the Node MCU controls the relay to activate the mini water pump, allowing the water plant to be watered automatically. If the answer is not, the relay remains off and the pump doesn't operate. That's all I have to say about the Node MCU ESP 8266. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Hafid. There is an explanation about the main component and the brain of the system. And then we move on into the next component. It is a relay. And this
Okay,
component will be explained by Mahendra.
okay, thank you. A relay function as an electronic switch. This component allow the low voltage not MCU to control high voltage device such as a water pump. When the not MCU send on signal, the relay active and connect the electrical current to the water pump. That's all I can say about relay. I will return to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mahendra. There is a explanation about relay usage. And then we move to the next part. It is a mini water pump and ultrasonic sensor. There is a Rehan Rajmansyah for the explanation. The floor is yours. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Sheva. First, the mini water pump is used to pump water from the water tank to the plants automatically. The pump works when the relay module is activated by the NOT MCU ESP. When the soil moisture sensor detects that the soil is dry, the system sends a signal to turn on the pump. After that, water flow through the pipe and resize the plant. This process helps plant get enough water without manual watering. The ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the water level inside the water tank. It works by sending ultrasonic wave and calculating the distance to the water surface. From this distance, the system can determine the remaining water volume in the tank. If the water level is too low, the ultrasonic sensor sends data to the Node MCU ESP. Then the Node MCU sends a notification to the mobile application. This feature helps user know when the water tank needs to be refilled. By combining the water pump and ultrasonic sensor, the watering system becomes more effective and reliable. Overall, this component support automatic, smart, and remote plant watering. That is all for my presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rehan. That is our last component for this system. And then we move on to the advantage and disadvantage of these IoT products. And it will be explained by Mahendra.
Okay. For the advantage, the first, it is automatic. It handles the watering for you. Second, it is water efficient. It prevents water waste. Third, It is time saving. You don't need to visit the garden every day. For the disadvantage, the device need electric and stable internet connection to work properly. Also, there is an initial cost involved in buying the sensor and microcontroller. In short, even even with this requirement, the system remains a highly effective tool for modern agriculture. That's enough. I will return. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mahendra. And then that is the last part of our presentation. Thank you to all presenters. To conclude, IoT technology plays an important role in a smart agriculture. Automated plant watering help improve efficiency and maintain plant health. We believe this system is a simple but effective solution for modern farming. That that will we like to say about how IoT works in automated plant watering. Thank you very much for your attention. We really appreciate having this opportunity to share the system with you. Thank you and have a great day.